On today's episode of What's for Dinner, Darling, we're going to be making herb, onion, and garlic flatbread. So stay tuned. So first you're going to start off with 1/3 cup sun-dried tomatoes. Then you're going to get 1/3 cup and 1/2 cup of whole flax seeds not soaked. You're going to need 1 cup and 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds not soaked. 1/3 cup of walnuts. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of sea salt. 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, as well as 3/4 of a teaspoon dried oregano, and some dried mixed Italian seasoning. You need 1 large red onion, and I forgot to put this here, but you're also going to need 1/2 cup of fresh kale as well, on top of 1 large yellow onion, 2 cloves of garlic, or more if you desire, 1 medium zucchini skin on, and for this recipe you'll need a food processor, a high-speed blender like a Vitamix, and a food dehydrator, of course. So, before we begin, you'll have to soak the sun-dried tomatoes in hot water, and you're going to do this for approximately 10 minutes, then discard the soaked water. Grind 1/3 cup of the flax seeds in your blender. Place the walnuts and sunflower seeds in a food processor. Process just until ground. Shred the yellow onion and zucchini using the shredding blade on your food processor. Place the shredded zucchini and yellow onion in a bowl with the walnuts. Using an S-blade, process the red onion with the rest of the ingredients except for the remaining flax. Now add this mixture to the bowl of zucchini, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and onion mix. Also add 1/2 cup of flax. Take some non-toxic parchment paper and line 2 of your dehydrator trays. Using a wooden spoon and non-toxic silicone spatula, spread the entire mixture across both trays, like this. Now score the raw mixture to form 12 pieces, something like this, or you can score them smaller if you prefer just to make crackers. Now into the dehydrator for 12 hours on 115 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that's done, flip to remove the parchment paper. It's easiest to use a tray on top of the original one and just flip the 2 over. Peel away the parchment paper. Dehydrate for another 4 to 6 hours or until desired firmness or crispness is achieved. And they're done. As you can see here, the crackers didn't last very long. This bread or cracker pairs very well with guacamole dip or some raw cashew cream cheese. Bon appétit!